Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok, you should just go to settings. After that, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to TikTok here. Then this list of app, and for you, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You will find here in this list airplane mode. You can click on it to turn on. Then you can wait a moment to turn off airplane mode. If it's not working, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.